Hey kids, how are you? Hope you are fine today. Kids, today we will do stem of letter G. This is letter G. It sounds G. This is the 7th letter of English alphabet. Kids, today we will do 5 interesting things. Number 1, science. Number 2, technology. Number 3, engineering. Number 4, art. And number 5, mathematics. Now let's see. Come on. Talk about the food of a goat. That's so much interesting. Listen to the words of letter G by watching video. Use beads and thread to make a bunch of grapes. This is so much fun. Cut green glaze sheet and paste on the leaves of grapes on next page. Count grapes in a small bunch shown above. Are you enjoying, kids? Yes. So keep learning this with your friends and teacher and have fun.